paradise without the frills. My family used to go there on vacations in the hills. I've been looking through my memories, and the best one tucked away is a playing at that cabin on a rainy summer day. I love to watch the rain fall through the pines, 'cause I knew when it was over, the world was gonna shine. When I see the light of a full moon rising, casting shadows down on memory lane, I drive through the night to the West Texas sun and pray for the hill country rain. I got a second floor apartment and 11-year-old truck. I work real hard at odd jobs, any way to make a buck. But when I think about my future and the dreams that I've betrayed, I remember that old cabin laying back up in the shade. And I run for the hills against the wind. I sit beneath those pine trees and wait for rain again. When I see the light of a full moon rising, casting shadows down on memory lane, I drive through the night to the West Texas sun, and I pray for the hill country rain. Dreams come and go, that's how it's played. You can live life for the moment, but don't let your memories fade away. A full moon rising, casting shadows down on memory lane. I drive through the night to the West Texas sun, and I pray